So we got the finished product. The traveling block for the miniature rig is ready. We have got sufficient weight now. So that is the whole idea of changing and upgrading to a different traveling block. Here we go. The traveling block is now going in for painting. So today we are going to manufacture the traveling block assembly. For this we have collected sufficient tools and sufficient material, and we will start with the marking. So the side plate marking has been completed, and now we will continue with the cutting.
So finally we managed to complete the cutting of the side plates. And we completed the filing of. So we finished. So we cut the plate with this. So we are now trying to complete the partial assembly of the traveling block. We will try to measure how much of length is required to put those side rods that will go. So we just completed the assembly. Now we'll work on the other part tomorrow. So it's a wonderful morning. Good morning, and the work is commenced. We are just trying to tighten the main.
Everything is manual.
With the filing.
Kind of corrugation is good to lock the washers in place, you know.
They don't rotate, so it works like an odd lock washer, I can say. And now we will tighten all the bolts to make this entire assembly solid and strong. Free and good over here, right? I can say the gold, silver, very
Expensive one.
very critical operation.
You achieve when you can tap using the right tap size.
Using the right drill size, and this is what can achieve. Very satisfying.
We are trying to tap. So there is a lot of engineering here, drilling, tapping. The sizes have to be accurate.
Super cool, cable guard. Wow.
So the hook is installed. So it's a traveling block with a combination hook. Wow. Super cool, super good. Pretty happy with what the outcome of this traveling block. All handmade, eh? All handmade. The golden hook. Now we're going to paint the traveling block with the golden paint. So testing the new traveling block. Let's start, eh? Wow, looking okay. Going up, coming down now. Woohoo! Perfect. Coming up. Good job. Traveling block is looking good. We will again try one more. Go. Okay. Going down. Voila. Super good. Oh, all right.